Hey there, future finders. Welcome to today's video all about something super cool and essential, a growth mindset. So, what exactly is a growth mindset? Well, it's all about believing that you can develop your abilities through effort and learning. In other words, it's knowing that you can get smarter and better at things with practice. The brilliant psychologist Carol Dweck introduced the concepts of growth and fixed mindset. The key distinction between these two mindsets lies in how individuals perceive their abilities and approach challenges. In a fixed mindset, individuals tend to believe that their abilities and intelligence are static, leading them to avoid challenges, give up easily, and see effort as fruitless. On the other hand, a growth mindset is characterized by the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication, hard work, and learning. Now, you may ask yourself why you should care about a growth mindset. Well, it can supercharge your learning and life. When you have a growth mindset, you're more likely to embrace challenges, take risks, and bounce back from setbacks. Having a growth mindset means more motivation, higher self-esteem, and a positive attitude toward learning. Plus, it can lead to greater success in school and beyond. Imagine someone who struggled with math but didn't give up. They kept practicing, asking for help, and guess what? They improved and became a math whiz. This is a growth mindset. Now, here's the exciting bit. In future videos, we'll dive into practical tips and fun exercises to help you develop and strengthen your growth mindset. So, stay tuned and learn more about how you have the power to grow and achieve amazing things through your efforts and determination. A growth mindset is like your secret superpower. It can help you conquer challenges, boost your confidence, and turn you into a learning superhero. So, future finders, that's it in a nutshell. A growth mindset is your key to unlocking your full potential. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, embrace challenges, and keep learning. With every effort, you're getting one step closer to becoming the best version of yourself. So, keep that positive attitude, believe in your ability to grow, and you'll achieve incredible things in your life. You've got this.